Hi, I'm Alex from Rampley & Co. And today I'm going to show you how to create the one-point fold. Now I'll be using our Last of the Buffalo pocket square. So we begin by folding in half and then in half again. Now you want to place your index finger as to where you'd like the base of the point to be and then fold inwards. Obviously do the same once again. Now depending on the size of your pocket square, you might want to have a slight overfold and then come back in on itself. Naturally, as I'm using silk, it can move around a little bit. Fold up once from the base and twice, and that's it. And you place it in the pocket and adjust it until you achieve a nice even point. And that's the one-point fold. If you have any questions whatsoever, please email us at info@rampleyandco.com and we'll be happy to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos on men's styling and product features.